Did you know that there are secret positions in your body that make you fall asleep in a matter of seconds? Did you know that if you stay in this position for 8 minutes equals 8 hours of sleep? 8 fantastic hours of light, relaxing sleep. This is a technique used by ancient monks to rest during temple. So save this video and do this practice. And with this simple position, you can reduce anxiety, headaches, back pain, and repetitive fatigue. Imagine this in your daily life. How much will it improve and help you? Discover the power of baby pose, also known as Mohammed, and how it can transform your day. If you take a long time to fall asleep or feel heavy when you traditionally lie in bed, you need to learn this. This position relieves stress, low back pain, muscle tension, a heavy body, tense muscles, anxiety and neck pain. Have you ever imagined that with just one position you can achieve all this? I'm sure you didn't know about this point. Point of the Sea of Vitality. These 4 points can be found on the lower back, about 2 to 4 fingers on either side of the spine. Apply pressure to each of the 4 points for 1 minute. This really helps to relieve stomach pain, abdominal pain, and swallowing. Now do this technique when you are urinating. Do you feel a burning sensation? Is your bladder inflamed or do you suffer from cystitis? Then do this massage on your foot. Gently press the area in this way, in a circular motion. Do this until the pain subsides. Massaging this area will relieve the pain and the burning and pain in the bladder will disappear. Practice this powerful wrist exercise and you'll see the benefits for the heart, calming the liver and soothing the nervous system. This movement should only be done from side to side and leave the thumb pressed with all 4 fingers. Do it for 2 minutes every day. Do it now and your health will thank you. Do these 3 exercises to sleep like a newborn baby. Can't sleep at night or wake up all the time? Then practice these exercises with your hands and do these movements for 2 minutes. You'll sleep much better. Do these exercises before you go to bed and you'll sleep like a baby. Try it now and let me know what you think. If you're starting to get a sore throat, do this movement quickly. To do this, simply open your mouth and do this movement on your neck for 10 minutes. This will clear your throat and relieve the pain. Do this every day until you get better. That's wonderful. Which of these tricks did you like best? I'll stay here. A big kiss. Stay with God.